Hey guys, it's Sharm. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, this is a makeup tutorial. So today is a makeup day, and today I'm showing you guys how I got this double liner cut crease. I really love this look. So if you guys want to see how this look turned out, please keep on watching. So as you can see, we're starting off with the eyes, and we are using a base to prime the eyes. I'm using the P. Louise base, shade Rumor 0 with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Caramel. So I'm going with my Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to be using that blue color, and I'm going to start that off with the color that we're going to use for our crease. So I'm pretty much going to be winging this crease out, so I'm going to speed it up for you guys. So now that I have a pretty nice shape going on, I'm going to be taking a lighter blue, and I'm just going to go slightly above that dark blue that we just did. I'm using my NYX or NYX Ultimate palette. And this is my Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just using that to blend those two blues together. All the brushes that I'm using are from Amazon, but the name brand ones I'm also going to be putting on the screen just like I did this one. So be sure to go back in between both colors like I'm doing here, just to make sure you have a really good blend going on, because once you start using the next transition color, the first color that we use starts to lose its pigment. So you want to make sure you want to go back into that color. So now I'm taking my Morphe M507 brush, which is a little less fluffier than the M506 brush, and I'm just going to be taking a black out of my Morphe 35C palette, and I'm just going to deepen up that crease. So now I'm just going to take some Vaseline, and I'm just going to take a regular flat brush, and I am going to be carving out where I want my crease to go. But with the Vaseline, you want to make sure that you put the Vaseline underneath, slightly above, what? I'm not making sense. You want to make sure that you put the Vaseline slightly below where you're actually going to cut the crease, because the Vaseline will spread. I'm taking a Q-tip, and I am just going to be carving out where I want my crease to be. Y'all look at it's just so satisfying to watch. Like, oh my goodness. And so now I'm taking my crease brush, and I'm going to start the cut crease. And this is pretty much self-explanatory. If you want an in-depth explanation, visit my last video. I also was going to do just a regular orange liner where you see the orange on my other eye, but that orange wasn't bright enough for me. So you guys will see later on how I got this orange liner effect with no liner. I'm taking my neon pigments and I'm just going to be taking the orange out of that set, and I'm just going to just pack that orange neon pigment on my lid where we had cut the crease. Y'all, just look at that. It's just 10 times brighter, and the orange liner that I have is not as bright, so I just wanted to get that nice bright effect. So this is just another way, if you do not have a neon liner or anything like that, this is just another way that you can do it. So I did the Vaseline trick again, and I just used a Q-tip, and then I'm just going to be cutting the crease again. So this is kind of like a double cut crease, if you will, but it also looks like a liner. Now I'm going into my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just going to be taking that brown shade that matches the base that I had put on my eyes. So now onto the face. As you can see, I wanted a darker contrast between the orange and that tan color. So after I did my regular eyeliner, I took the same black eyeliner and I just outlined underneath the orange color. It's something that I decided to do last minute. So now I'm taking my Morphe Fit Me foundation in the colors 330 and 360, mix those two together, and I am just going to be applying that on my face. Oh, I also primed with the NYX HD foundation primer. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Caramel. It's the same one that I mixed with the P. Louise base. So now I'm contouring with my Paris Hilton Contour and Sculpt palette. I'm going to be contouring my nose as well. Okay, now I'm highlighting, but it's actually eyeshadow. So this is the final result. I hope you guys love this look as much as I did creating it for you guys. Also be on the lookout. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next time that I upload, because I will be uploading 2 videos on how I got this color and this install. So be on the lookout for that. Until then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.